I fell off the back of my truck. After MRIs, x-rays and things, they found a really bad rotator cuff. It was torn from one side and then drawn all the way back. And by the time I seen Dr. Kruse, my mind was focused on getting a shoulder replacement. And he listened to me and he said, if we don't have to put artificial parts in, let's not do that. And he says, I can do this.
Rotator cuff problems, arthritis, and instability, that would make up about 90% of the shoulder problems we see. Our success rate overall with our patients in fixing their shoulder and getting them out of shoulder pain is 99%. And the reason for that is we're hyper-specialized in the shoulder. We've got an amazing team, and we use the latest and greatest technologies.
After 4 to 6 weeks, I was right back to fishing, doing my love, my passion. Like I said, I can still cast my arms up and reel it, and so I'm fine. Because I didn't realize how much I would miss just little things like that. But that shoulder, that muscle not being there, man, it's like night and day.
Don't let shoulder pain hold you back. Call now to book your appointment with us.